Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out? Yeah.
I'm from the middle finger.
I'm from the east side.
Yeah.
East Carolina.
Yeah. Brick City.
Yeah.
Licks. All that shit. Sticks. All that shit. Hoes. Set a nigga up. All that shit. Yeah. All that shit. In the club. Beat a nigga ass. Take a nigga chain. All that shit. Come out your pay. All that shit.
I'm from the 5, middle fingers on 6. Dirty land, dirty stick. Bad bitches getting hit. Put a nigga on a lick. Rob a nigga for a brick. Rob a nigga for his shit. Young nigga fall out, turn it to a snitch.
You said they got that bar, you already had the bar. Once you see me at the car, you already had the bar coming to the door.
Hey, fat thing got no more chain. There was Sprite in the motherfucker.
I was so hotter than I ever been. A boy from the block. The jumping fences, robbing nigga, running from the cops. I was just drinking finesse, running around with that Glock. I was just robbing these niggas, shooting that nigga, watch that nigga draw. These niggas be talking just like some bitch. You watch your part, yeah. You know I behind slime. He just run the whole block. Shout that he so crazy. They say he slime, he gon' fugazi. Yeah, I am a slime boy. I will smile in your face and I will wipe you out. I don't give a fuck like what you be talking about. Draco, put that bitch out, that bitch out. What you talking about, huh?
Fucking with the hoes. But nigga,
Oh man, that damn cat. Fuck damn cat. That was fucked up, man. Nigga! Who's that nigga?
Shit, man, nigga, what the fuck?
Why you got wrong to the fuck up?
Hell no, that shit nigga.
I stopped.
Yeah, you bust out my
I
ass.
stopped. That's mine.
That shit hard, bro.
That's mine.
Bro, she ain't cook no steak. Nobody, me and her, bro. We the only one been in them motherfuckers.
Bro, you crazy, bro. Man, I've been had to stay. I seen those that don't shit.
I gave him the black three, though. I got one.
yeah. I know what's going on, man.
No, for real.
I'm gonna get that pork chop. I got you feed into the dog. I can't get a piece of pork chop.
I just wanna get this money and to get my niggas rich. I wanna live that life, I wanna fuck these niggas bitch. I wanna live that life, I wanna ride the road. I wanna live that life, I wanna spend some money too.
Oh, I brought a present for you, man, in the home 9. He straight tricked them dumbass niggas.
Yeah.
They think homecoming got them kids home from the blam everybody.
Me wanna black.
At least I brought a present for my man in the home 9.
Niggas fat fuck,
He's I'm the fly nigga back there.
Oh shit.
He went there.
I put a nigga on the
Man, I talk that shit, man.
bitch, right? These niggas switch plates. I see these niggas switch up, but they fugazi. See, I just wanna get this money and just get my niggas rich. I wanna live the life, I wanna fuck these niggas bitch. Hey, I think need to come on. Let's do it, bro. Ugly ass nigga, you ugly fuck. You want to 6-0, man. You want to 6-0.
Go get this money, I won't be rich. I told them that they lame and fuck these niggas ain't talking about shit. I told them, then I showed them, then I flexed on them. Yeah, I put up in the Hellcat with that check on them. Yeah, I put up at the Texaco, got good smoke. I got that stupid gas, I got good smoke. And I got that like some bitch, you watch a part, yeah. You know I behind slime, he just run the whole block. Shout that he so crazy. They say he slime, he gon' fugazi. Yeah, I am a slime boy, I will smile in your face and I won't wipe you out. I don't give a fuck like what you be talking about. Draco, put that bitch out, that bitch out, what you talking about? These nigga fugazi, I see they switching up that shit fugazi. Your bitch wanna suck on my dick, ooh she faceless. I put some dick up in her mouth and tell her taste it. Slime, bitch made, these niggas switch blades. I been getting money since I went to 6th grade. These niggas hating on me, yeah they shady. I see these niggas switching up, but they fugazi. See I just wanna get this money and just get my nigga rich. I wanna live that life, I wanna fuck these nigga bitches. I wanna live that life, I wanna ride the Rari too. I wanna live that life, I wanna spend that money too. These niggas wanna fall out about me, dad, fuck, do nigga. These niggas wanna talk bad about me, dog, they fuck, do nigga. I don't really trust nobody, dog, don't try. These niggas, you know I keep that glizzy, dog, I bust these niggas.
Yeah, did big. Cameraman shot. He said his cameraman pull up in a hot box.
Godfather, fuck what you heard, nigga, I'm a real monster, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Dance in the folks, set your mama out. Damn, what you talking about? Everybody around you, they pussy ass niggas. I don't fuck with these pussy ass niggas. I'm a real street nigga, I'm a blood ass nigga. You sneak.
Stat by. Stat by. God damn, huh? You He gonna beat your ass. I add this nigga. This nigga inbound me, my boy. What he say? He trying to get his that liberty ass shank. Hell, bro. That liberty ass shank. That liberty ass. He ain't got no bitch bang on you. Oh, yo, you get your ass spanked. I've been getting money since I went to 6th grade. These niggas hating on me, yeah, they shady. I see these niggas switching up, but they fugazi. See, I just wanna get this money and just get my nigga rich. I wanna live that life, I wanna fuck these niggas.